don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna be bringing y'all the Supreme Week 2 unboxing. I did get a major item from last week. This is the piece that I probably wanted since before the lookbook even came out. The day that the leak for this piece came out, I already knew I wanted that shit. So today I don't really want to waste too much time. This video is actually sponsored by Aporo brand. They are a jewelry company, but I'll get into that a little bit later. If you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Make sure that you click those post notification bells so you're notified every time I post a video. The Gleam link at the top of the description. If you want to win this piece right here, go ahead and click that Gleam link at the top of the description. But let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So the first piece that we're going to get into today is this box right here. If you ordered this from Supreme, you already know what's in here, but I still got to open it for you guys. You already know. Got this bag inside right here. And then here we do got, first of all, we got a shower cap, which is pretty cool. That means they're still giving these out. This is probably like my 8th one or 9th one. Shit is redundant, but we do have another shower cap right here. And there we do have 2 box logo stickers. And we also do have 4 of these right here. I wish I would have got more, but I did get 4 of them. I might go ahead and open one to show y'all the band-aid. Still haven't decided, but I need 2 to make that Preem BOGO dead stock. It looks pretty cool like this, so that's probably how I'm gonna display it. I might open one for y'all at the end. I don't know yet. So that was the first package right there. Second up, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this package right here. I'm honestly really appreciative that they sent me this. I've actually seen this brand going around. I love the little details even on the bag, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into the piece that we did get today. Inside the bag, we do got this right here, which is the little box it comes in. Look at that, bruh. Super fire right there. The attention to details. I actually really love their logo too. But let's go ahead and check what's in here. You got the little dust pouch. You got more branding right there. Then you got their little card and more information about them inside here. The quality on this dust bag is even crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. In the black bag, we do have our little bracelet right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out the wrapping for you guys. I feel like it's gonna really be glossing. This is crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and get some B-roll for y'all, but the shine on this is actually crazy. I feel like the quality for the price is A1. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out these bracelets, make sure you click that link at the top of the description. But their bracelets, pendants, and all that type of stuff is definitely fire. I love this piece right here, and it's an essential piece. I didn't really want to get nothing too bulky or too big. I wanted something simple that you could daily wear, and I feel like this is it right here. The quality on this is crazy, bro. They have their logo even on the little buckle, which is crazy, specifically for the prices that they do have. It has a little bit of weight to it. I feel like as far as this piece goes right here, you cannot go wrong. I'm gonna go ahead and get some B-roll so y'all can actually see how much is shining. Yeah, bro, I'm not even gonna lie. This shit is coming crazy right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get my little flashlight so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Shit really twinkling, bro. Shit is coming crazy. Definitely shout out to Aporo brand, bro. Yeah, so as y'all saw, the shine on this thing is crazy. I definitely would recommend y'all to go check out Aporo.com. I'm gonna go ahead and link their website at the top of the description. I'm gonna probably flash their social medias right here. Honestly, a real huge thank you to them. The packaging is A1. The shine on this is impeccable. It's actually like 5 times plated. Hey, we don't got that wrapper bread, but this shit still look fire in my opinion. It's an essential piece. I didn't want to get nothing gold because I feel like that shit is too much, but you definitely can pull off some silver here and there. Nothing too much, you feel me? But let's go ahead and get into this final package, which is really what I'm mainly excited for. And this tall ass weirdly shaped bag right here, we do got a fire ass piece, and we do got a shower cap right here. This is like our 10th one at this point. We got another sticker pack. This is the knot sticker, which I didn't get before. I think we got another fruit sticker pack and the regular Supreme box logo, so more stickers for the collection. Now in here, bruh, we got the heat. We got this S logo, super clean, bruh. I literally love wearing my all black S logo, so this is gonna be a little twist, you feel me? We got that brownish right there, gray right there, cream on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and open this for y'all real quick because this is for the personal. Ooh, this shit is fire, son. Yo, I don't know if it's me, but this feels like a thinner material S logo, which honestly I would love because the one that I have right now is heavy as hell, and that would be a dope little twist to it. I thought this was gonna be the same exact thing. We do got that Supreme embroidered right there on the gray hood. We got the right sleeve, which is like this brown, dark tan type color. Then we got the white on the other sleeve, which I honestly wish was a cream color. Let me take this shit off. Ooh.
Oh, damn.
I'm finna fuck him.
That clean ass S. I love this piece right here. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all gonna be seeing me rock this shit a lot. Y'all probably never gonna see me let this shit go, because this is now probably my favorite hoodie. Lately, I've been racking up on hoodies. So if y'all wanna see a hoodie collection video, I could probably drop one in a couple weeks, because I'm waiting on 2 more to come in. This one is fire. Definitely love this piece right here. And y'all gonna definitely, wait, I said definitely hella times.
Dumbass.
Y'all gonna see me rock this a lot. I love the color blocking on this. Honestly, that navy one did kind of grow on me, but this one's still the best. Hey, y'all already know. That pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what y'all thought down below. Which one was your favorite pickup? For me, I love this right here. And I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not saying this because it's sponsored. I feel like this shit go crazy. Hey, I'm usually into jewelry. I just don't wear it too much. This piece is fire, bro. It's simplistic, but you could wear it with a lot of shit, which means the same shit. This is so fire, bro. This S logo right here go crazy. I'm honestly excited for Stone Island, but at the same time, I don't even know what I'm about to get because these prices are going dumb, and I ain't even trying to do all that. But if y'all enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe down below for more content like this. Any video ideas y'all got, let me know. I'm gonna probably drop my sneaker collection for 10,000 subscribers. That's what I kind of been aiming for, but I guess I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. Yo, click that Gleam link. Shit is gonna be done in like 2 weeks. Check out Aporo brand, because they did hook it up for the boy. B-roll once again, because shit looks so dope. But I'm gonna catch y'all.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.